What's good, family? It's your boy Ronnie. Hope y'all doing well. Today was a crazy day in the stock market, especially on the road to 10K picks. And I want to take some time to go over everything that happened today and get into the strategies to end this week on a great note. All right, without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. All right, in my E-Trade account, I got $3,458. And in my Webull account, I have $225. All right. So if you take a look at my E-Trade account, I'm down 200 something dollars today. That's cool. I told you guys the plan. I told you how it works. I got my money in RMG right now. RMG is pending that merge. So it got approved today. That's great news. Great news. Okay. So next step is the transition to RMO. All right, so what you're going to see is that ticker symbol RMG change to RMO. So what happens is the institutional investors and other people are getting their shares in during the transition. At this time, brokers and stuff will not be able to purchase. However, come Wednesday, RMO will be able to trade to everybody. You should see some gains tomorrow, but Wednesday is when it usually shows the biggest gains. That's in my experience. Now, something different can happen tomorrow, but one thing's for sure that I'm expecting is to see some gains. So those that stuck with me through the dips today through RMG, I know you had your questions, you was worried, but it's okay. This happens. This is exactly how it happens. Those are dip points that you can lower your cost per share. I'm gonna even buy some more tomorrow, so don't stress it. You're going to see that thing go back up. Just trust the process. And the same for LCA. So when LCA does his thing tomorrow, it's going to have its meeting. I hope you guys have already done your voting. If you have not, look at my last video to show you how to vote for that merger. Once it does its merge, it will do the same thing. You'll see some dip points. So if you want to increase your holdings in that, look for those dip points. And that's expected to take off come Thursday. So it's a good time to make some money this week off of RMG and LCA. I told you guys about some other flips, and I want to get into those. All right. So, Riot. I knew that Riot was going to go up first thing in the morning because I saw how it performed over the weekend. It went up to like $27,000 a coin. But I also told you guys to watch it. So when I say get it ASAP-ish, that means as soon as the market opens. I told you guys Sunday, ASAP-ish. But I also told you guys to watch it. That means you get that huge jump, get rid of that stuff. You don't want to hold Riot because Riot's going to go back down as the price of the coin goes back down. But if you got caught in there holding, maybe Bitcoin will go back up and maybe touch 28K between now and January or the first week in January. So you might be okay. I don't see Bitcoin going down soon, but you know, just don't chase it. When I say get in ASAP-ish, that's first thing in the morning. If you don't have any money for first thing in the morning jumps, that's fine. Just wait till the next one. But that's what I mean when I say ASAP, is when I say get into these things as soon as possible. So what's next? Okay, so APXT, that's another one that's going to be first quarter type of move. So this is good practice. RMG and LCA is good practice for APXT and the SBE moves. So if you're in on RMG and LCA this week, expect to make some money, some good money. As far as the account, I'm looking to try to flip this account. Like I say, I'm hopeful if I do it right, we can get to 10,000 by the end of this week. But if not, there's other plays. So I'm not even sweating it. Yo, this gonna be easy money. I like what Chris saying, say easy money plays. This is an easy money play. So we done our due diligence. Now we just gotta ride it out. Don't let people scare you. Don't let the dip scare you. It's just a part of the process, I promise. So if you have any questions for me, feel free to ask me some questions. I'm gonna kick out some more stocks you should look at, like BFT, like what's another one I like? FTFT, and some more. So I'm gonna do other videos and kick those out. But right now, let's focus on this flip and making the most out of this road to 10K money. And the reason why I'm not doing a bunch of stocks on my road to 10K videos is because I'm purposely trying to tell you my strategies to flip what I have into 10K. I'll have other segments where I tell you about stocks and why I'm choosing those stocks for the bigger accounts, or if you're not following me trade for trade on the road to 10K, I'll do that for you as well. But this week, let's focus on flipping this money and getting these wins on RMG and LCA. All right. But if you have any questions, don't forget to comment in the comment section below, or just message me on the group chat. And don't forget to please share, like and subscribe. And if I made you any money or gave you a different perspective on trading, please don't hesitate to say that. I love to see that I helped you out, and hit that like button, please. But without anything else to say, road to 10K, it's not a race, it's a marathon. We're going to get there, I promise. Peace.